Hey, it's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and today we are going to do another video on thrifting, marketplace, and yard sale finds. I was looking for a drill press for the last little bit, a nice old drill press, and I found one. I had to drive a little bit for it, but it was only $40, and it's an old Walker Turner drill press. These were great old drill presses. I think they were made in the 20s and 30s, and you know what? The value you get out of these old drill presses are just phenomenal. So I'm going to show you what I got. I did a little bit of research, and I think it is actually a 900 series Walker Turner drill press. This one here was made in the Plainfield, New Jersey factory, which I think was the second factory they owned as they were growing. And if you look, it looks like it was painted that 1930s gray, which I'm probably going to paint it back to that color. If you look at the drill press, it is actually in really good shape. It's been inside for a bit. There's a little bit of surface rust, but everything is here. And I think maybe possibly even the original key. It doesn't say Walker Turner, but I mean, that's a vintage key for it. It's even got the little knobs. It is excellent shape. So my whole goal with this thing is just to clean it up a little bit, clean it up, and we're gonna mount it to a stand, and I'm gonna show you. So my plan is to mount it to this stand instead of this drill press. I have a Craftsman 10-inch, half a horse drill press. It really hasn't been used too much, but I'm going to throw that on Marketplace. This used to be my dad's. He mounted this on the stand. The stand's pretty good, so I'm going to reuse that. But he never really used this too much. It was sitting in the back, so I don't really have fond memories of it, so there's no sentimental value, really. Except I think my dad made the stand, so I'm going to keep that. We're going to paint this, paint the drill press. And I think it's going to look really nice on the stand when it's all cleaned up. That'll be in the next little bit. So I'm going to be painting the drill press the same color as my Delta saw. Both seem to have used this color. It's pretty close. It's like a grayish green. And I like the way the saw and joiner looks. So we're going to continue that on. My workbench, I started pulling that apart. When you start redoing your shop, there's a real problem because you take everything off the shelves and then everything that you've cleaned, you pile up on your tools. So it starts looking bad. So what I think I'm gonna do is we're cleaning up the shelf. I am gonna turn this into a bench. We're gonna cut off some of the top part so it's a better height, put a hard top on it, put a vise. And I think it's going to be a good platform to have a nice space, to have a nice workbench. I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing. I kind of started working on my workbench, so I'm going to try to finish that. But then after that's done, I'm going to start working on the drill press because I don't think it would take a lot to actually clean up the drill press. So, you know, I kind of show you some of these finds that I get. These deals, because you can save a ton of money by just buying some of these older pieces of equipment, and they're really good shape. This was working. I didn't have to do anything to it, so really all we're going to do is tidy it up, clean it up, mount it to the bench. I'm going to throw in a switch, make it safer. So in the next little bit, you'll see me cleaning this up and mounting it to the stand, but I really do want to finish my workbench because it kind of leaves my whole shop in disarray if I don't have my workbench done. So we're going to try to finish that, get it done, and then we can start on the drill press. So everything is moving ahead, and I'm kind of trying to stay focused, just finish it, because I know once it's done, and I can actually just use it. So, and as long as I don't get distracted, we're going to finish this thing. So that's about enough for today. I just wanted to show you the drill press. So you guys have a good one.